Welcome guys to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a ReelShort sound problem easy and quick. So to fix this problem, just watch and follow this video till the end. You have to open the settings of your phone first, click on apps option and search for ReelShort and click. Now guys, scroll this list down, click storage and click clear cache. So here back, click on force stop and click OK. Come to Play Store or App Store and update ReelShort, restart your device, and that's it. Don't forget to like, also subscribe and